It's Vixen.
Kelly Martinez, known online as at @KMartinez_22, or Kelly Martine by her followers, is a personal blogger who turns everyday moments into scroll-stopping content. With just under 300,000 followers, she's built a space that feels familiar, fun, and fashion-forward, all wrapped in her authentic, relatable energy. Her Instagram feed feels like a visit from a stylish friend. Recent reels show her morning routine or runway-ready outfit, with captions like, "Such a wifey material, isn't it?" Small glimpses that go big with audience engagement. She posts what she calls Vida Authentica, snapshots of where she's been, what she's wearing, and how she's feeling. Though she doesn't explicitly highlight travel or high fashion, her locations, camouflage of city streets, artful interiors, or tropical accents, suggest a life rich in moments curated for impact. A quick reel clip of her reaching overhead in a street scene garnered millions of views, making it clear that Kelly's magic lies in subtleties and mood. Her style? Effortlessly chic. Whether it's a sleek white top paired with black crop pants or a bold colored dress on the go, she layers visuals and captions into a vibe that's confident yet accessible. Her bio reads, "Personal blog and Authentica," setting the tone for a digital diary rather than a fashion catalog. Behind the polished photos and upbeat reels, Kelly's strength is consistency. She posts often enough to stay relevant, but thoughtfully enough to feel intentional. Her reels punctuate her feed with movement, which in today's algorithm-driven scroll culture is smart content strategy. Followers don't just follow Kelly, they duet, they recreate captions, and they wait for the next relatable moment. She's part stylist, part storyteller, and full-time realness. When she's not modeling, but posting a clip captioned, "Falling in love with my breakfast," she's subtly reminding her audience that even the smallest scene can tell a bigger story. Challenges? Like many content creators, diversification is key. Kelly isn't currently linked to brand partnerships or specific niches like fashion houses, but that leaves an open road ahead for sponsorships or collaborations. Her aesthetic signals potential for brand alignment in lifestyle, beauty, or even travel spaces where upbeat authenticity sells. Looking ahead, Kelly could expand her brand in several ways. Imagine a mini-series on how she shops thrift, or her curated city guides styled for her followers. Or a line of reels challenges, "Dress with me," "Day in my life," or "Authentic style hauls." Her existing brand, approachable, stylish, real, gives her a solid foundation to grow, not just in content but culturally. Through it all, Kelly Martinez proves that compelling content doesn't need filters. It needs personality. She's not chasing trends, she's creating them. One comfortable outfit, one stylized walk, one candid caption at a time. Her Instagram is less about what she shows and more about how she makes her followers feel seen, stylish, and ready to scroll again tomorrow.